Hey guys, I'm alone. My sister's sick. She can't go to my friends, so I'm going to my friends because I'm lonely. I'm free. Nothing happened. Yesterday's video, it was something. It's snack. It's after school snack. Don't judge me. I love going with my friends, and I also love eating. And I love reading my favorite books. I'm playing games. Come at me, bro. I don't give a heck. That's what? What's wrong with you, man? Eat your chips in the morning. Eat your waffles at dinner time. Dropped it. This morning at the bus stop, someone stepped in dog poop. That's why you need to clean up after yourselves. Wait. It's like 35 distance. Ooh, yeah. Oh. Does that make you hungry? If I had one of my alone to keep me. Nah. Yeah. Raw. I was going to throw this away, but he's just like, oh, I don't care. And I'm like, what the heck? That's what happens when you don't have a little sister right next to you. What the heck, man? He's playing. If you break your parents' window of their car, I swear. Stop staring at me! Who are you even playing with? Your trampoline? Stop staring at me. I hate when people stare at me. Unless if they're talking or playing with me. They can't stare at me. But if they're just staring at me without talking, neither we're close, I hate it. February. Why do you got to be so difficult? It's not even the end of the year of school. I can sing a song for you. Can you stop? Smells good. Smells good. Smells like Dorito chips. That's my creepy spot. Actually, March and Month, cause help! Zip it up! No! Also, I wear the skirt again. Okay. I wear this like last yesterday. I mean yesterday. God, they're like sun. That's called fast talk. Because you don't know what it means. It's like a chipmunk talking. Like. I also like to talk like Megan, and not much like Megan. I mean, like, talk like a weird person, perhaps. Person staring at me again. They keep on staring and they were smiling, and I'm like, what the? Just kidding. I'm not that rude. I'm like, hey, whoever you are. That's not rude at all. Like, talk about. Kaylee's mom's here. Go in the Parkers. Doing what I want. Pretty much perfect. Zipping off. Nope. Not perfect at all. Not perfect at today. Person staring at me again. Why are you not focusing? He's super close. You can't see him. Shut up, puppies! This is hard. I've done it before, but it was... But... Or no. It's not so... Not so... easy. There's a person that's shooting with me with his ears off. Not right now, but he's gonna. Because he's gonna be whining about, oh, you trespass, you shall not pass. Because you've been like a B word, like a B word, like an M-B-B-B word. Been a long time since I came over there. She's not sick. Kept her along. I heard a cute thing. Better not be aiming at me, bro. Stop! Hey.
Parker's not feeling that good.
Oh, kitty cat, kitty cat. People are so nice that I got a new bike. It's easy to get on with one hand. Because I rode in one before. But it's not so easy to steer it. Instead of have my hand right with the course. Okay, I need to put you guys away for a little bit. I might try right